Madiba The African Opera is one of the 3 operas that I've composed in the last 7 years. Madiba The African Opera is important to me because it is the first one that I composed. It's among the few operas actually that deal with an African story. But now we have started writing operas that elevate our stories. Madiba's story is a story of all of us. It's not about him per se, but we can all relate to that story. Hence, we are calling it an African story. It will be premiered this coming Sunday here in Cape Town for the first time, and I would love people to go see it so that we can grow this kind of work as South Africans.